In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom opportunity default stage in Salesforce. This is a useful customization feature that allows you to better align your business processes with your sales pipeline. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for today's task. Once there, you'll want to locate the Quick Settings menu. It's a handy feature that lets you easily access various settings. Go ahead and click on that. Next, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view where you can make the necessary changes. Once you've accessed the advanced setup, you'll want to navigate to the search bar and type in Sales Processes. This search will bring up several options, but you're looking for the Sales Process link. Click on it to open a page where you can start customizing your sales stages. Here you'll find a button labeled New. Click on this to create a new sales process. Enter a name for your process, something memorable and descriptive to ensure you remember its purpose later. Once you've done that, click Save. Now let's focus on the available and selected values. When you're in the sales process setup, you'll notice two columns, one labeled Available Values and the other Selected Values. Available values are all the potential stages you can assign to your opportunities, while selected values are the specific stages you want to use in the sales process. Make sure you select the stages that you need and transfer them to the Selected Values column. Double-check your selections, and when you're satisfied, save your changes. Now, we're moving on to the Object Manager. Locate the Object Manager link and click on it. In the search bar, type Opportunity, and you'll see the Opportunity object appear. Select it to open its settings. From there, look for the Record Types option and click on it. This page displays all the record types associated with your opportunities. Choose an existing record type or create a new one if needed, and then click on Edit. Pay special attention to the Sales Process field during the editing process. You'll want to link this field to the sales process you created earlier. Enter a name and label for your new record type. This helps in identifying the record type easily, especially when dealing with multiple processes. Once satisfied with all the changes, don't forget to save them. Now let's see your work in action. Open the app launcher and navigate to the Opportunities section. Click on New to create a new opportunity and notice how your custom default stage is set. Select a stage from the drop-down list and, after entering all necessary details, remember to hit Save. And there you have it. You've successfully set a custom opportunity default stage in Salesforce. This feature can significantly enhance how your sales team manages their workflow, providing greater customization and flexibility in your business processes. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more handy Salesforce tips.